Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be repairing a silver ring. The edges on it are all sharp and messed up, so I've been working it with a hammer in order to bring it back to a nice condition. This was also horribly bent and has been bent back into shape. I'll be working it with a watchmaker's hammer. Very, very small hammer indeed, and a mini anvil also. It's sort of cool. Very shiny, I know. Tapping sounds. Very light taps needed. Don't want to go too far. Just don't want it sharp on the edges anymore. Be run over by a car or something. Want it all nice and even all the way around. Very nice. Got to do this on the opposite side also. Quite damaged by this part. Side part, I have to work that with a different tool. Very fine file, but the edge has been cleaned and is now not sharp. Let's have a little look. There we go. You can see the edge is no longer sharp all the way around. I have to do that on the other side and then clean it up and probably buff it at a later time as well. Restore this ring to a nice usable degree so I can use it for a necklace or on its own. It's actually 375 silver also. You can see the marking there just about. Focus there for you. Very tiny stamp. Well, I was repairing a silver ring. Till next time.